Hello guys. So today I'll be doing the unboxing of the Butter Lucky Draw, the Soundwave version. First of all, I want to say sorry because I have like the meanest sore throat, so my voice sounds so weird. But let's get right into it. So for this package, I got a total of 5 albums and one full OT7 set of photo cards. I got 2 peaches and 3 cream versions in total. And right now, I'll just show you guys the OT7 photo cards. I'll now be unboxing the albums. So I'll first start off with cream versions. So the first photo card is Jimin. This one is so cute. Let's see who we got for the photo. Jimin again. I don't mind though, because I barely get him in pools, so. By the way, I decided to fast forward this part because they're like basically the same thing, and I'll just stop at the photo card. So let's see. Another Jimin. So for my cream versions, I pulled all Jimin photo cards. That's a first. So in total, I have three Jimin photo cards and three Jungkook message cards. So basically the same thing. So I'm guessing the albums were shuffled properly in this comeback, but hopefully I get different pulls in the Peaches versions. Ooh, for the Peaches version, another Jimin. Like, but I am not complaining because I barely have Jimin photo cards, so I am happy about this. So in total now I have four Jimin photo cards from this. Finally, a different member's message card. So finally, we get J Hope, something of J Hope. Like, I have not gotten any J Hope in anything for this comeback. I'm happy with this one. Now, let's see for the photo card. Tay. So, I already have a Tay from my first pulls from Weaver Shop. So, I'm happy. I'm happy with all the pulls because I barely get Jimin in the other comebacks. So, this is a first. Do you guys see how thick these photo cards are? Imagine if they made all the photo cards like this. No more bending. But they're so durable. So these are from my first pull from the Weaver shop. Pre-orders. I had ordered one set and then I ordered two more from Amazon. So these are the photo. Oh, sorry, that's the pre-order gifts from Reverse Shop. So I'll show that later. And my favorite photo card of them all, Tay. Looks so good in that one. Everybody wants that photo card. So these are the photo cards from the gifts from Reverse Shop. I got Yoongi and of course Jimin again. And these are the total pulls from the Butter comeback. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.